Today, I'm going to show you 5 of the most underrated side hustles for 2023. And honestly, these have the potential to earn you anywhere from $100 to over $3,000 per day. And all you have to do is pick one. Sounds simple, right? Okay, let's get into it. And we're starting off the list with number 1, retail arbitrage. On average, Amazon rakes in $1.3 billion in daily revenue. And you can be a part of that by using a skill called retail arbitrage. Retail arbitrage involves you going into retail stores that are in your local area, like Target, Walmart, Ollie's, Marshalls, and even online arbitrage, where you can do this in the comfort from your own home. The best thing about all this is that you don't have to ship the products to the customers. All of that is handled by Amazon. To get it all started, all you need to do is set up an Amazon sellers account and download the app on your phone. And on the app, you go into stores and scan the product with the barcode scanner and see how much it's selling for and how much earning potential it has. If the item is profitable and there's a high volume on the product, you can purchase a few or all units if you choose to do so and ship them to Amazon, and they handle the fulfillment for you. This is one business that you can scale up to 7 figures. There are people that are killing it at Amazon. There's even a couple that started with only $100 and scaled their way up to $1 million. So it's 100% possible to be successful, and all it takes is one great product find. Retail arbitrage doesn't require high capital to get started. You can start with lower than $100 and scale your way up. This is not saturated, so don't believe the people when they say it's oversaturated. There's enough bread on the table for everyone. I highly recommend you give it a try. If you're looking for something hands-on, I highly suggest you try a window cleaner. If you didn't know, there are houses and residents that are in desperate need of window cleaning. The fact of the matter is they don't have the time or either afraid to ask. That's where you're coming at. Starting a window washing business is most certainly profitable. In fact, according to statistics, the average window cleaner can make anywhere from $50 to $125 per hour just for someone to clean them. And starting this side hustle is relatively easy and costing next to nothing. All you need is a ladder, which you can rent from Home Depot for less than $30 a day. Some microfiber towels, squeegees, and chemicals, which you can most likely find these at any retail store. Then start knocking door to door or posting ads on Facebook groups in your local area, which I know may be uncomfortable, but in the long run, it will be well worth it. I have no doubt in my mind whether you want to start a residential or commercial window washing business, there's an opportunity to earn up to $3,000 per week. And the best part about it is if you do a great job at it, you will most definitely set up recurring business or referral. This is great for anyone, and it doesn't matter the age. There are people, and I mean many of people, that are looking for junk removal. One reason is because junk removal is an essential task that needs to be done regularly to maintain a neat and clean environment. But for the normal person, it can be a very daunting task. This is where the junk removal model comes in at. This includes collecting, loading, and disposing of their unwanted items. And all you have to do is take it to your local dumpster area at no cost to you. There's very high demand for junk removal. All you need is a pickup truck and a trailer. There's even a video where a guy actually works his own junk removal business and shows step by step on what to do. Now, if you treat this as a side hustle, you can earn anywhere to $1,000 per day. But if you treat it as a straight up business, you can make between $3,000 to $5,000 per month. And coming up next on the list is selling greeting cards. This side hustle is extremely lucrative. And if you have a unique idea and have the ability to pull together some attractive and funny illustrations, then you should be able to tap into the $7 billion sale industry without even investing in any material that includes paper and printing. There are people that are taking full advantage with this by selling funny wedding and family cards online. The great thing about all this is that there's zero overhead. And my guess would be that there are numerous amounts of subscription sites to use from. This can go from using Minted, Etsy, Zazzle, Kittle, and even Canva. And even if you don't have an idea on what to choose from, you can select from the numerous templates they have on their website to see what card is hot. These subscription sites are not too pricey at all. Most are free, but if you want the full features, it's only $10 to get started. And that little $10 that's spent can earn you tens of thousands of dollars per month. Affiliate programs are a popular way to earn passive income, and I know for a fact you can earn money with this. Simply put, affiliate marketing rewards you with commissions for helping businesses and brands sell their products and services. It's a big deal these days with major brands, businesses, and websites all offering an affiliate program. You can easily collaborate with products, services, and businesses that align with your values. For example, being an affiliate for Amazon and promoting products you love. This can include cameras, makeup, fitness gear, stylish clothing, and much more. With millions of products available, the earning potential is limitless. With affiliate marketing, it allows you to promote through Amazon and also iQnix. Joining Amazon and iQnix is completely free. And once you join, you can promote their products by sharing special links. And when someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you can earn commissions. Getting started is super easy. You just sign up for programs like Amazon Affiliates and paste your links into blogs, your YouTube page, newsletters, or whatever platform you are using. The only tricky part is driving traffic to your links and trying to get them to make a purchase. It can take some time and effort to get it going, but with time, patience, and strategy, it all gets better. But there you have it. Those are the 5 side hustles that are truly underrated. There's an abundance of opportunity, and the goal for us is to all win in 2023 and going further. So make sure you guys subscribe so we can go along the way. I would love to hear about your journey. Until next time, I'm out.